Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt so changes apply system-wide. Once done, determine the target display adapter and current resolution. This ensures you don't pick unsupported modes. Use system tools to list adapters and drivers so you know the device name to reference. Make sure the monitor supports the new width and height to avoid blank screens. You will now install or use a small utility to set the mode via command line. Do this next. You install or place the display utility in a folder you can access from CMD, then run it to list supported modes. This shows resolutions and refresh rates you can apply safely. Once you see valid entries, compose the command using the adapter name, width, height, and refresh value so the tool targets the correct monitor. Run the command in elevated CMD, you'll get immediate feedback. If the tool reports an error, recheck adapter name and mode syntax before trying again. You execute the set command to apply the chosen resolution and refresh rate. The system will switch instantly. After the change, verify in display settings or with the utility's query command to ensure the resolution and refresh match expectations. If the screen goes blank or behaves strangely, use the utility's revert flag or boot to safe mode and run the revert command to restore the previous configuration. One key troubleshooting tip: keep
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.